Anambra woman makes history as she is sworn in a US city council, and she puts on a Nigerian attire as this history is made. Months after becoming an American citizen, Anambra State's Angela Okafor has become the first immigrant and first person of color to serve on the Bangor City Council in the United States of America. Angela and her husband, Ben, who owns 2 pharmacies, live in Bangor with their 3 kids. As a foreign, trained and American licensed attorney, meaning she read law in Nigeria. That's why they referred to her as a foreign trained but American licensed attorney. Mrs. Okafor, who is from Enugu in Njikoko local government area of Anambra State, is currently, and she owns a law practice in America. What a feast to achieve. Shout out to Ndibo, Igbo Kwenu, Igbo Kwenu, Igbo Kwezuono. An international market, a hair care business, and she has served on the board of Maine Multicultural Center, being a guest lecturer at Eastern Maine Community College, and have worked with students and businesses and business bodies, also started an affinity group. She is an occasional columnist at Ajambo Africa. She is a public and inspirational speaker. Angela won the Trailblazer Award from Empower the Immigrant Women. We at Njenje Media will say, right on, sister. Angela, you have made us proud. You have made Ndi Anambra proud. You have made the Igbo nation proud, and you have made the black race proud. Angela wrote, she took to her Facebook page to share her excitement over history. And she said, we quote, I am literally unbelievably shaken by what we did tonight. I have tried calling my dad in Nigeria to inform her that his little girl, who was not sure of going to college, let alone studying law, has just made history in the greatest country in the planet Earth. Thank you for your every advice, time, financial support, good wishes, prayer, childcare, especially to those who told me I could not. Your doubts of me pushed me to defy all odds. We at Njenje Media will say, you listening to this, do you think that someone is against you? Do you think you cannot do it? Do you think it is all the odds are against you? No, let Angela Okafor be an inspiration to you. You can do it. Sadly, in some cases, Nigeria does not allow her citizens to shine, but when they go out, they shine and they shine and they blossom. Angela continues, thank you for being God's unwilling to get me working harder. I mean, she's talking to those that never believed in her. To every little child there, Angela said, what you have control is where your power is. I started as the underdog, but by reaching out, asking questions, listening, asking questions again and again, I got everyone on my side. I personally knocked on more than 1,000 doors, spoke to uncountable more on the street, at the stores, at the kids' game, practice, activities. You had me drop off my cat on the trash can so I can stay away from your dogs that I am petrified of. You do not want to see me around your dog, but nonetheless, after all the discriminations, I still say thank you. It is not about who you were born as, but what makes you, what makes you who you are. It is not about who you are born as that makes you whom you are. She says, thank you, and thank you once more. I can't even coordinate my thoughts. Thank you to everyone who stuck out their neck for me. But now the real hard work begins. I will be needing every of your help more and more now. I do not know my left from my right, but I am counting on you for your ideas, advice, and holding me accountable respectfully with love. Angela concludes, this is an unbelievable feat from a lady who left Nigeria a couple of years ago and to find herself in America, in the land of no one, in the land of foreign people, and she excelled against all odds. She excelled in the midst of all the racial discriminations. She held her head high. If you're listening to this today and you are being depressed in any way, shape, or form. Njenje Media is motivating you